after seeing Mrs. Marlene McKinney's mouth-watering images of her tofu quiche on Facebook, I knew I needed to try this recipe myself. OpenSourceVegan.com. In the notes section of OpenSourceVegan.com, there are recipes or recipe ideas for potato casserole, vegan cheese, pumpkin bread, 2 different types of granola, Thousand Island dressing, and more. I've encouraged you to share photos or recipes of your vegan dishes, and I wanted to take the concept a little further. So I tried to make my own version of Mrs. Marlene McKinney's tofu quiche for the vegan cafeteria I work at. With the help of my work supervisor, Mr. Gordon, and God, we made this awesome tofu quiche. Samuel tasted it and shared his experience.
I really enjoyed the tofu quiche. It had everything. It was a bit, it was savory, it was sweet. The flavor was just awesome. Yeah, I really enjoyed the tofu quiche.
Please contribute to our recipe exchange concept on our Facebook page. As always, please check out OpenSourceVegan.com for more information for your physical, mental, and spiritual health. OpenSourceVegan.com. OpenSourceVegan.com is a proud supporter for Pertaining to Life Network. Find them on the web at ptlnetwork.org.